What I wish I knew before my trip to Jamaica. These 10 spots are absolute must-visits. Let's get started. First up, the Blue Hole. This stunning natural pool is perfect for a refreshing dip. Next, we have Reach Falls. Hidden in the lush rainforest, it's a waterfall lover's paradise. Moving on, don't miss Frenchman's Cove, a secluded beach with crystal clear waters. And then there's the Luminous Lagoon. It literally glows at night. For history buffs, visit Cinnamon Hill Great House, a beautifully restored plantation, which gained fame as the home of the legendary musician Johnny Cash. Now head to the Bob Marley Museum. Dive into the life of the reggae legend himself. For adventure, check out the Blue Mountains, perfect for hiking and breathtaking views. Then there's Port Antonio, a charming town with a rich cultural vibe. Next, the Green Grotto Caves. Explore these mysterious limestone wonders. And lastly, the famous 7 Mile Beach in Negril. Relax and soak up the sun on this stunning stretch of sand. There you have it, 10 hidden gems of Jamaica waiting for you to explore. Pack your bags and let's go.